HushMat is the easiest to install sound deadening and thermal insulation material available for the heavy truck market. Here we are in front of this Kenworth 680, this beautiful rig. Sitting here, the inside of the cab, we reduce noise, we reduce heat. It's the easiest product. You just peel and stick, put it on the firewall, the doors, the roof, and the sleeper. Tremendous performance by HushMat. We reduce the noise and heat inside this cab by over 50%. That means you get a more comfortable ride. You're not burning up in the summer, and it keeps you warmer in the winter. HushMat is the easiest to install product. The driver can do it themselves, or there's plenty of chrome shops in the country that will install HushMat for you.